Good morning, humans. It's morning.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line. Try a different lipstick.
I am back in my hidey hole. Just catching up on things. I have to be at work at 1:30. Yes, I go back to work today. I'm as sad as you are. Just know that. And I need to message a coworker and make sure my vacation was put in. Just double checking. Got 3 videos here to watch. That might take up some of my time. And yeah, I need to eat something. I went to bed at midnight last night, and I literally crashed. No music, nothing. I put my phone on charge, I laid down on my back, and I was like out like light. I guess it's good. Like, I miss my bed, I guess, more than I realized. But now I have a sore in the middle of my shoulder, like an ache. And I got bit by bugs, and I'm peeling. This is the first day in like a week that I've had makeup on, because I only threw my foundation on last Monday. That was it. No cover up or anything. And it's kind of weird, because I went an entire week practically with no makeup on. That's really weird for me. You guys know how self-conscious I am about the face demons that are on my face. So I'm gonna eat something and do something. IDK. I have until 1:30 and it's 10 till 11. 2.5 hours. So, and I have to eat twice in that 2.5 hours. I'll pull it off. I know I will. I don't want to go to work. I want to stay here and catch up on things. Like all the fan fiction I have to read and YouTube videos I missed. Let's go back to the beach and do that. Sound like a plan? We can go back to the beach and not be surrounded by nothingness. So poorly. I think it's supposed to be raining at the beach though this week, so maybe it's good we're here. It's supposed to be a nice Tuesday. I'm off Wednesday and Thursday. And I have to mow my grass on Tuesday. Or maybe I can do it tomorrow. It only looks like it's cloudy tomorrow. So maybe I can do that then. And then that'll give me time to make yard pretty. But I have to get ready for work now. I don't want to go. I want to stay here. Do nothing. Be lazy. I don't want to go work. It's so nice to be away for a week. Oh my god, I'm so happy to be home. Today is just, oh, I'm peeling. Oh. Just a really long day. Yeah. I'm happy to be home. And just things just blew at the end. Like, if shitty things can happen on the day you return from vacation, they happen. So, yeah. Not the most pleasant first day, but all in all, relatively easy. I'm gonna go to bed here shortly, so I will see you guys in the morning. And I'm back to my slum, and I hate it already. I hate it already. I got an early morning tomorrow, so woohoo. And as long as it doesn't rain, I'm gonna try to mow my grass because it needs it, like, badly. In the worst way. Yay! Welcome home, Brandy. Welcome home.